My name is Chipo Smwena. Chipo is a Tonga name, which is from Southern Province. Most of people from Southern Province, we are very much rich. We have a lot of cattle. So today I will be making village tea from our own cows that we have from our village. So I'll be making village tea. I'll be using our milk from our own cows. So this is the milk. So I'll just put it on the brazier. We'll let the milk boil for some time. So I'll add some more milk. Okay. So I'll add some leaves. This is Kawambwa leaves from Luapula Province near Kasama. So I'll just add 3 teaspoons. So I'll let it boil for some time. So what happens in the village, since we are rich, we have a lot of cows. So since us Tongas, you'd find a man can marry several wives. So you'd find the family is very big. So we add everything in the pots, we put sugar and everything. Then we come as a family, we sit here all together, we bring the cups, we share. So I'll just show you how we do it. So this is my tea strainer. Yes. So I'll add the sugar in the pot. So I'll just stir the sugar. I'm now straining my tea. Here the tea. Sorry, I messed up the clip. So this tea is called village tea because most of the ingredients that I've used are from our local village. Thank you. Enjoy the tea.